I'm Nick. I'm with Avian and Exotic Animal Care. I'm one of the technicians. This is Diva, our Eclectus Parrot. She's one of our education animals. She came to us as an adoption because her owners could no longer take care of her. She's really good. She lets people pet her and hold her and everything. In addition to birds, we see all kinds of reptiles, lizards, snakes, amphibians like frogs and toads, all kinds of mammals, pretty much anything that's not a dog or a cat. And we have boarding too for anyone that goes out of town that has odd pets like that. So.
And what species is she?
She's an Eclectus Parrot. They're sexually dimorphic, so the males are actually bright green and they have an orange beak.
Beautiful. And you've got an owl down here at the end of the table too.
Yeah, he's that's Speedy. He's an eastern screech owl. He was hit by a car, and after we repaired his wing, he was unable to fly, so he can't go back into the wild.
Okay.
And he stays at American Wildlife Refuge, and we just take him for shows and everything.
Very nice. So you do rescues of all kinds, not just wanted pets, but also injured wildlife.
Yeah, we will sometimes take in wildlife. I mean, I really love it. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Feel free to check us out. We have a YouTube channel.
And you guys are located in Raleigh?
In Raleigh, right across the highway from the Eclectus Parrot.
Okay. All right, great. Thank you.